In this video I will show you how to download, install and set up Tutanota on Android. Please help my channel out by leaving a like and subscribing for more videos. Also comment down below why you like Tutanota and what could they improve in their service. Thanks. Firstly, search for the Tutanota app on the Google Play Store. Next, tap on the Install button and wait for the app to finish downloading and installing. Then open up the app. Enter in your Tutanota email address and password. Tap on the Login button to sign into your account. That's it, you are now ready to use Tutanota on your Android smartphone or tablet. Thanks for watching, I hope this video helps you out. If you want to support the channel, please remember to like, comment, subscribe and share this video.